Hello, warm welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James, and again today I want to say a big thank you for everyone who's subscribed, because well, I've now got and actually gone over 500 subscribers. So yeah, today I'll be doing another subscriber special video, and yeah, as you can see, there's a big pile of polystyrene right beside me, and you may be wondering what it is. So I won't tell you what it is yet till you get to have a look inside. So I'll just remove the bottom first, and actually I'll bring the camera closer because it's a lot easier than me doing that. But yes, again, I want to say thank you for everyone, and yeah, today's special video I'll be building something, and you might be able to recognise what I'm building already, but I won't tell you till afterwards. I'm going to remove the bits of paper, front cover up the bits of paper, some extra pieces. Some of you might actually recognise what I've already planned to build, but here's some extra little hints. Marmoid, I think that's how you pronounce it. Some more marmoid stuff. Something about steam engines. And this is what I've got. I've got myself a steam traction engine to build. There's only a little one, as you can see, but yeah, I do like live steam, and I was hoping to get a live steam engine, no, actual steam locomotive, but yeah, they're quite expensive. So I figured I'd do halfway there and get a steam traction engine to build. So yeah, it's a little steam traction engine. As you can see, I've got the flywheel is here, which is fairly decently heavy. Got these very nice wheels which are stuck in there. Very nice and solid. So yeah, I'm going to build that, and as long as it stays a nice day outside, I'll give it a little run round. So yeah, and also there's a fuel there. I have numbered everything already, apart from this bag of bits. So yeah, I'm going to get on to work with that, and yeah, we'll have a little bit of a steam running session. So yeah, again, thank you for everyone for all your support, and I hope that you'll join me when we get to the next big number, which will be 1,000. I don't know what I'm doing for that. Maybe a live stream, just so I don't end up running out of money. It's either a live stream or I'll end up buying something silly, but either way, I'm going to get to work building this, and then we'll get to run it outside. So I'll see you in a bit.
And away it goes. I'm running out of steam now. It's taking me this long just to get it moving. Hard. And there we go. Yeah, there we go. I hope everyone enjoyed the video, and yeah, I hope to see everyone when we get to 1,000 subscribers. Try and make this go around in circles, but it's not having it. And I think I'm running out of steam. Let's check the water. No, we've still got a bit of water left. It's just... what's the fire like? Ooh. Oh, we've still got fire. Go back in, go back in, go back in. There we go. My whistle don't work. Yeah, I'm running out of steam now. Oh well. Let's see if we can make it go in reverse. Ooh, it's a bit warm. Yeah, the fire's dying down. Oh well. Anyway, yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed this little video. I did get it running a little bit, but it's taking me this long just to try and get it running. Oh well. Hope to see everyone again next time. I'll try and think of something to do for 1,000, as that's the next biggest one. But yeah, I'm going to go inside because it's a bit cold. It's probably why this thing don't want to work. Oh well. See you again next time. Bye bye.